In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grant delegate access in your GoDaddy account. If you need to let a developer help manage parts of your GoDaddy account without sharing your login details, delegate access is the safest and most professional way to do it. It allows someone else to access the account with their own login, while you stay in control of what they can and cannot manage. This is especially useful when you want help with things like domains, hosting, or other connected services, but you do not want to hand over your password. To get started, sign in to your GoDaddy account as usual. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the page and click your name. This will open the account menu. From there, go to Account Settings and then choose Delegate Access. This is the area where you can manage who has permission to work inside your account. When the Delegate Access page opens, click Invite to Access. This will begin the process of adding a new delegate. You'll be asked to enter the developer's full name and email address. Make sure the information is entered carefully, especially the email address, because that's where the invitation will be sent. If there's a typo, the person may not receive the invite, which can slow things down. Next, assign the products and services access level. This setting gives the delegate permission to work with the products and services in your account that they need to manage. Before you continue, take a moment to confirm that this is the right access level for the work they'll be doing. It's always a good idea to give the appropriate level of access and avoid sharing more than necessary. Once everything looks correct, click Invite. GoDaddy will then send the invitation to the email address you entered. The developer will need to accept that invitation before they can access the account. If they don't see it right away, you may want to ask them to check their spam or junk folder as well. And that's it. You've now invited someone to access your GoDaddy account using delegate access, which helps protect your account while still allowing collaboration. If you ever need to review or remove access later, you can return to the same delegate access section in your account settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.